so much cultural and historical heritage that is still very much a part of everyday life. Japan is a very culture-specific country. Here are some fun facts for you to know. Japanese men's first and last names are written in kanji. Most females' first names are written in kanji, but there are some that are written in hiragana only. One of the great features of Japan is the public transport system. Every railway station has a book called Jikokuhyō. Jikokuhyō has the timetables of all the Japan railway trains, including all the bullet trains, which are called Shinkansen, many of the local trains, and even the buses. Japan began running its bullet trains in 1964, the first one in the world. There has never been an accident with the bullet trains, and they are always on time. Many overseas visitors love Shinkansen because they are so beautiful. Shinkansen ran from Tokyo to Kagoshima Prefecture, that is at the south of Kyushu Island, very south of Japan, to Shin-Aomori, which is the north of the main island, and to Nagano Prefecture, which is very popular, especially for skiing. The trip between Tokyo and Osaka takes only 2 hours and 33 minutes. The best way to travel on Japan Railway is to purchase a pass, which can be a weekly or valid for up to few weeks.